students, my name is Franco Pierno, graduate chair of the Department of Italian Studies at the University of Toronto. We are pleased to announce the call for applications to graduate school. Allow me to share a little bit about our department with you. Italian Studies has a deep-rooted history at the University of Toronto, with its first Italian lessons being taught in the mid-1800s. We are the only Italian Studies PhD in Canada and one of the largest in North America, offering an impressive breadth covering all fields of Italian studies: medieval, Renaissance and early modern, modern, contemporary, history of language, linguistic, and cinema studies. With over 10 graduate faculty and a large selection of graduate courses per year ranging in a multitude of topics, in addition to an outstanding Italian language program, students have everything at their fingertips. Additionally, the department offers strong PhD placement record in higher education, unparalleled library resources, international visiting Gojo professors, postdoctoral program, a vibrantly supportive student community, the largest Italian community in Canada and the fourth largest outside of Italy. The Department of Italian Studies offers graduate students a competitive funding package. Full-time master's and PhD students are covered by the Faculty of Arts and Science-based funding package. The package includes a teaching or research assistantship. All PhD students are encouraged to apply for external scholarships, OGS and SHRC, and are eligible for top-up awards from the department. Other fellowships are available for specific research topics, conferences, and research travel. With that said, I invite you to submit your applications to our graduate program. Vi aspettiamo a Toronto.